Alright guys, welcome to another video, and it's my last video. It will be a bit special because I'm going on a little adventure outside Kathmandu Valley, and first we will meet an old friend. I'm actually looking for him right now. If you've been following my channel for a while, you definitely know him. I think he's right there. You remember me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll keep my backpack with me for now.
Yeah.
Maybe later when we pick...
Okay, no problem.
You know where to pick them up, right?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you know you're on YouTube?
Huh?
Have you seen the video on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, you saw it?
Yeah.
Yeah, with me?
Yeah.
Ah, like 2 months ago?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Ah, somebody sent it to you maybe?
Yeah, yes.
Ah, you're on my last video now.
Oh.
So you were on my first video in Nepal, and now it's my last video.
Whoa.
And finally I see you without mask, first time. Oh, my lens is a bit dirty. You know where to pick up my friends, right?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Okay.
It's in
Okay.
Kalapul.
Yes.
Kalapul.
Nice meeting you again.
Yeah.
People were asking about you on YouTube. They said like, when are you going with Kumar again? Okay, so I will do the intro of my video. I didn't do the intro yet. So I'm going to Gagalphedi. Gagalphedi, which is like a village outside the valley.
Yeah.
And I'm going with a few friends, but you will meet them in a minute.
Yeah.
First we need to drive. How long is it? Like 10 minutes, 15 minutes?
No,
first, yeah.
20 minutes.
Oh, 20 minutes, yeah.
Too much traffic.
It's okay. Let's go. Yeah, we're a bit late, so Nepali time, you know, after 2 months of being in Nepal,
Yeah.
I'm also becoming a bit Nepalese, you know,
Yeah.
Nepali time.
Nepali time is you want 5 minutes, 10 minutes late, no problem, huh?
No problem, I think we're a bit more than Nepali time.
Yeah.
We're like 20 minutes late, but okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, you know, you need to integrate in the culture, everything.
Yeah.
Time management is not my best skill, so I can integrate easily here in Nepal. And there's a lot of traffic also.
Yeah.
It's so busy, yeah?
Yeah. It's office time.
Office time, yeah.
10 o'clock starting.
So we're too late, but we're not the only ones, because they're really Nepali, so it's
Nepali,
like,
yeah.
you need to count per Nepali person, you need to count 5 or 10 minutes extra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a Nepali time, huh?
Yeah.
So did you
First day away the money.
Alright guys, we made it to Gagalphedi, and I told you I would bring some friends, and they're actually right here. This is Bijay,
Namaste.
Binita,
Namaste.
and Kumar is still there as well. You already know him. And I also have a mystery friend. She's a bit camera shy. But the plan is now to go to the jungle. And actually we're trying some, what's the name again?
Sukuti.
Sukuti. Okay, actually I tried already one before, but I will try another one just for the camera, you know, to have some proof. To have some proof that I'm actually eating this. It's buff sukuti, right?
Yeah.
My first time, no, my second time actually, but it's pretty good, very chewy, a bit crunchy, and you can chew it like for half an hour if you want to. But it's good, it's good. Yeah, it's like Nepali chewing gum maybe? I don't know. Only you don't get a fresh bread from it, I guess. And she's the big sukuti lover.
Bone lover.
Bone lover, yeah. All your secrets will be online now. It's okay. Looks like an artist or something that is about to perform.
Welcome to Nepal, team.
Thank you, but I'm almost leaving actually, but thank you.
We're so much happy you've been to Nepal.
Me too, me too. Wait.
Clean water is there.
And so we made it to the waterfall, and yeah, it looks pretty nice actually. It's like half natural and the other half is like man-made, I would say. And there's like a golden statue. Let's go and have a look. Okay. What is this thing, do you know? It's like something religious or? It's like a bird, but on the sign there was something with a bird as well, right?
Means crow, I think.
Crow. Oh yeah, it's a crow. Oh yeah. Ah, it's like from Bihar, right? The first day is for crow.
Yeah.
Ah, so it's
In summer, like water will be like this much also.
during monsoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can swim here, or it's not allowed. Yeah.
Most of the people.
I could swim actually because it's pretty hot right now, but there's almost no water, so.
Whenever we worship in temple, first of all we have to worship. First of all we have to start with goddess.
Goddess?
Yes.
What is it?
He
The goddess.
Goddess.
Yeah.
Yes. He is son of Lord Shiva.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then you ring the bell, right?
Yeah.
With right hand always.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Right hand, eh?
Yeah, but if some people don't have right hand, then
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, then of course, yeah. Yeah, what a beautiful view here.
we have to click photo.
What do you think of the view?
Nice. We have to take pictures.
Very beautiful. Yeah, we have to take
Yeah.
some pictures.
We have to take some pictures.
Waterfall is so good.
Oh yeah, there's another part of the waterfall there.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
I think same.
What are those for farming? The greenhouses?
Yes,
Greenhouses, I
yes,
guess.
yes, yes.
For vegetables and stuff.
Yes.
And where are we going now? To the jungle?
Yeah.
Jungle, are you
So
ready?
we are just
Yes.
searching for a
Place
new
to
nature
relax.
place.
Place to
Yeah.
see the whole Kathmandu Valley. We're searching the right place.
Yeah, we're searching for the perfect chill out spot basically.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, so we were actually looking for a beautiful view over the Kathmandu Valley, and I guess we have it here, right here.
Yes.
Well, it's not the whole valley, but you can see there. Where's the rest of the valley? Like around the corner, I guess. Oh no, that way.
Yeah.
So there's Kathmandu. Yeah, so very beautiful place here. It's like only 40 minutes driving from Kathmandu, which is really nice.
Gagalphedi.
Super relaxed. Yeah, super relaxed
Gagalphedi.
place. Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, very nice place and all right, so we have made it back to the restaurant where we were before, and we received our Roxy.
Chhaang.
Chhaang. It's not
Chhaang.
Roxy. Chhaang, and it's made from rice. It's like rice wine or something.
Yeah.
I'll give it a
Not
try.
rice, like from wet also, but this is homemade.
It's a bit sour. It's not as strong as wine, I would say. But it's pretty good. It's my first time trying on my last day in Nepal, so. It's very good. Yeah. Not bad. So guys, the video was a bit short, so that's why I want to give a bit more explanation, because it was actually my last day in Nepal, and I didn't pay much attention to vlogging, I would say. I was more enjoying the time with my friends there. So I thought like I need to do an outro, a proper outro, because Nepal is like my second home now, you know. So yeah, I'm actually now already in another country. I can maybe show you, but it's in India. I'm actually now in New Delhi, but yeah, I spent over 2 months in Nepal. I met so many lovely people. Like, the thing that I remember the most about Nepal is definitely the people. So yeah, but I will be back, you know. I will be back probably pretty soon. I don't know yet when. I mean, I will be back for sure, because I love Nepal really a lot. But now it's time to explore some new places like India. I will spend the next coming weeks, months here in India. I don't know yet how long, But I hope you keep following the channel, and I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing, for commenting, for watching, for sharing the videos. I really appreciate it, because yeah, like Nepal is the place that my channel started to grow, like for real, you know. Before I was doing YouTube, it was growing, but not so fast. So I really appreciate that. So thank you very much for that, and I hope you keep following the adventures. And if you're still watching, you're a legend. See you next time.